Hello, my name is Nicole, and I'm the application engineer at Bettersize Instruments. What if it could help you to analyze particle size and shape at the same time in a single instrument to reduce your workload? Say hello to Bettersizer S3 Plus, our most powerful particle size and shape analyzer. It provides a comprehensive solution for particle size and shape analysis with a measurement size range from 10 nanometer to 3.5 mm. It is achieved by using our patented DLLS and dynamic image analysis. With Bettersizer S3 Plus, you can have a deep understanding of your material behavior to develop high-performance products. Most importantly, Bettersizer S3 Plus can optimize your method development, and it has been widely used in various applications where you need accuracy, speed, and reliability. At Bettersize, we are always committed to bring more to you. With that in mind, we have some exciting to share. Welcome BTA60, an auto sampler that works seamlessly with Bettersizer S3 Plus. The new sampling system makes it possible to measure up to 60 different samples with one click. Amazing, isn't it? In the following weeks, the Bettersize channel is going to upload a series of videos to introduce this top-of-its-class instrument, including one fundamental video, one promotional video, and 2 demo videos. Last but not least, we have an operation video coming up as well. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any updates from us. See you soon. Bye!